how to order cash on delivery in Swiggy. First, you will load up the Swiggy app and then choose the restaurant which you want to order from. For example, let's do McDonald's. Now, I'm just going to search for it, click on the restaurant itself, and then choose the item which you want to purchase. For example, let's get this chicken McGrill and add it to our cart. Add item, no ketchup, add item. Okay, so once you're taken to this page, it's gonna look like this, and you will click on view cart. Once you select view cart, then right here you will see the option to pay, and it's going to show you the different payment methods if you select it. Now click on proceed to pay, and it's going to show you a bunch of different options. You have the option of wallets, pay on delivery, pay in cash, or pay online. Here, if you click on that, then if it's available, you can click on cash on delivery right here. The different restaurants, in some it's going to be available, in others it is not. So you want to find the restaurant that supports this, for example Burger King, and that is how you do it. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.